Welcome back to the Skyway Classics, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a 1955 Ford Thunderbird. It's got a red paint job with a nice two-tone red and white on the inside. This car is absolutely fabulous. It does have a hardtop. The hardtop is white. No soft top. It's a 4-speed and drives like a dream. I mean, it's truly an in and out, beautiful, beautiful car. So nice. Let's go ahead and pop open the trunk real quick so I can get the keys situated. Beautiful inside. It's got the 55 in there stitched in. Great, great, great condition. Show you the inside clusters. Absolutely phenomenal. All right, let's go ahead, take it for a drive, put it on the hoist, and check out under the hood. Hey, Roy.
Hey, Mark.
How's it going?
We have a 1955 T-Bird.
This is beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful condition. Look at the steering wheel.
Wow.
Look at the gauges. All the gauges work too.
Love this red.
It's equipped with a 292 V8. So quiet, so tight. Nice riding car.
I'm excited to show everybody going down the road.
Okay, here we go. Look at this nice and smooth. Shifts very smoothly too. 4-speed.
Nice. Give her some gas.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
3rd speed.
Very smooth. Look at that
nice
steering
and,
wheel.
nice and straight. Beautiful driving car.
What a nice cruiser to go around town, go out on a Sunday afternoon.
This is a dinner night car.
Yeah.
You want to put the top down and go out for dinner with your wife.
This is fabulous. All right, we'll do a quick turnaround and then we'll go throw it on the lift, check it out underneath.
Okay, here we go. Smooth shifting.
Yeah.
Very smooth. I love the hood.
Yeah, me too. All right, thanks, Roy.
Okay.
All right, got the 55 up here on the lift. Check out the underside. Great condition. Very, very well kept. Let's go ahead and swing around real quick, get some better lighting. Just an awesome car here. Awesome, awesome car. If you have any questions, concerns, or you'd like to do a FaceTime video, walk you around the car, give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd love to work something out. As always, thanks for stopping by. We appreciate it. We look forward to hearing from you.